Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone can use 5G bands. Many older flagships have limited NR support, so check the exact model. Once done, obtain a 5G-capable SIM or enable eSIM. Carriers often require a new SIM for NR. Also make sure your carrier plan includes 5G and that you're in a 5G coverage zone, otherwise the hardware won't help. Do this now to avoid wasted steps. Having the right SIM plan and confirmed band support gets you to the next configuration stage. Next, update your operating system and any carrier firmware. Vendors push 5G optimizations and updates, and without them performance can be poor. Then open mobile network settings and select 5G or automatic 5G/4G mode. Choose NR only if you have stable coverage. Once changed, toggle airplane mode or reboot to force the modem to re-register. This step often resolves band selection issues. Make sure to monitor signal icons and speed tests to verify you're actually attached to 5G rather than a 4G fallback. To finish, optimize placement and confirm connectivity. Run a 5G-capable signal app and speed test to see NR cell ID and throughput. If you don't get 5G, contact your carrier to confirm provisioning and supported bands. Try a different SIM slot or the eSIM option because some phones limit 5G to a primary slot. If problems persist, reset network settings, clear carrier profiles, or install any outstanding carrier updates. These actions commonly fix provisioning and band priority issues, so you get reliable 5G service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.